Hi, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I am here to introduce you to our April quilt. It is stained glass. It is one of the calendar quilts from Robert Kaufman. If you've been following along with us, we have been doing all of the quilts, and we are on the month of April. Unfortunately, my video started and I didn't get, I wasn't actually recording, so I actually sewed some of the first pieces. But let me show you again how I laid them out here. My first row, which looked like this, it's actually all sewn together now. You're just basically taking your square and you're adding a sashing piece to it. So let me do this for my second row. Again, this will be a quick, easy quilt. Some squares and some sashing. And because I've laid it out and organized it, I can just quickly grab all those pieces. Talking about organization, we take a little piece of our salvage and attach it to our pattern so that we can go back and reference, especially when some of those colors in the bag look very close to each other. I want to make sure that I'm getting all my pieces right so that I can just quickly grab my piece, I can match it, and I can lay it out in my row. Once I have all my sashing together, I'm going to go back and check my pattern because, like I said, I started my video and it didn't record, and now I'm re-recording it. So my fabric B is this cream. So this is my first row. I'll take it to the iron and I'm going to press those seams in towards my sashing. And I'll just continue to work my way down. Let's see, my second row is the ice peach, which are these two. So I've got that started and I can add my second piece to it. Chain piecing will make this nice and quick, especially if you lay those rows out. And then I can just keep grabbing from my piles and adding. Like I said, I'll go and press all those seams towards my sashing, and then I will come back and show you how I'm actually assembling all of my rows. If you've been following along, we have tips and tricks. We have YouTube videos. We are on Instagram and Facebook. Give us a shout out, and I hope you'll join us in making this quilt. Again, it is stained glass, and it was one of the Robert Kaufman Kona Cotton calendar quilts for 2022. Thanks.